Hi, this is Tony from ihouse.com. We're the real estate blockchain platform.
So what problem are you guys trying to solve with your platform?
Yes, since we just want to use blockchain technology to get more people involved in the commercial real estate invest, and we use tokens to split the amount and make that easy to entry.
Okay. Are you guys on a crowd sale right now, or
Yes, we just did our ICO in this January, and right now we are looking for the real estate owners who is willing to use the blockchain technology services to fit their business model.
Are you guys on any exchanges right now?
We're building that. We will just see that maybe in late September.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it what kind of token? Is it an ERC20?
Yeah. It's ERC20. This is the most popular one right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
What website can they go to find more information?
Well, you can just go to our website, just like www.ihouse.com.
Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.